Here is a wonderful 2022 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.